back. So I went ahead and got myself an Insta360 Flow smartphone gimbal, just because I was tempted. And I've always wanted a gimbal, and having used some of the Insta360 products before, I find it quite intuitive and seems like a good idea. Because my wife was always telling me that whenever I take videos with my smartphone, there's always that shaky footage, because apparently I have shaky hands. So the gimbal is supposed to solve that. So here's the unboxing video for you to see what you get out of the box. Well, the gimbal itself, the build quality seems quite good. Now, I've never owned a gimbal before. I do know that brands such as DJI, all the Chinese brands, Zhiyun and Hohem and all that, but I've never used one personally. So this is my first gimbal. Setting it up is quite easy. I think you just attach your phone to the clamp given, and everything is magnetized, and you just flip the gimbal, and it will prompt to launch the Insta360 app, and there you have it. You're good to go. I have to say that the gimbal is quite handy. It comes with a built-in tripod and a selfie stick for you to get a bit of length in terms of how you shoot. the built-in. Okay, so somehow I lost the audio during this part. I think this is me demonstrating the selfie stick, the built-in selfie stick, and also the tripod. You can't see it from the screen. It's standing there. Yeah, and that's kind of handy. Because you get a lot of reach, and there's some flexibility in terms of the angle, and making it a bit more comfortable to hold. But demonstrating here, I think I noticed that it's heavy because you're holding the device and the phone, so it's kind of straining to the arm. So if you're not used to using a gimbal like this, maybe it's something that I need to get myself used to as well. Yeah, so that's just me adding the audio that I lost in this part. So yeah. Now another thing that I wanted to add is how the app makes use of a lot of features and functions that you kind of used to if you use an Insta360 app. And I guess the controls of the gimbal is also familiar with the triggers and the buttons and all the gestures that you're familiar with. The only difference is because the build of the gimbal is different from what you're normally used to, and there is that certain familiarity that you need to gain by using the gimbal more. I think it's interesting. It would be something that I would like to test out more and make sure that I'll shoot a lot more videos wherever possible, especially using the functions of the gimbal more and more. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I think maybe, like I said, we will shoot a bit more using the gimbal and have more views and reviews coming in the next video. All right, thank you, bye bye.